And of course, ESG and sustainability topics and funding has been really at the core of the AIIB and the Belt and Road ILU as well since the very beginning. Jerry, you have been in this part of the world for about 5 years. It's been your third leap already. Let me ask you, how has technological development influenced global investment decisions here in the Middle East, maybe especially from the eWTP Capital Arabia perspective?
Yeah, sure. Actually, we were invited to Saudi Arabia almost 5.5 years ago, and we were inspired by the Saudi Vision 2030, and actually, technology and the digital is the most important part. It can change a lot, and technology is a world language. Actually, it is more and more, changing the economic and the whole industry. So, from us, we support more than 20 leader company. Bring them, come here, customize, support them, and give them combine with their technology from the other world and to contribute to the local mandate. Yeah, and from our side, we really witness the big change, and I can see Saudi became one of the most active and the most promising emerging market right now. More and more investor and leader company come here. So yeah, it's really changed a lot, and we will continue our journey and our fund to $1 billion. Yeah, a lot of our LP support us and give us more confidence to bring and invest more company to realize the digitalization journey. Thank you.
That is a great commitment to this region as well, which deserves it so much, and the people, of course, as well, especially the young ones, and making a very positive impact for the generations to come.